The Nigerian government is committing to restoring about 4 million hectares of degraded land forest in the country as part of the pledge which it made to the African Land, Forest and Landscape Restoration Initiative, AFRI 100. We'll bring you excerpts from the deliberations at the formal launch of that initiative.
African Forest Landscape Restoration Initiative is a country-led effort to restore 100 million hectares of forest and degraded landscape across African continent by 2030. 32 countries, including Nigeria, have pledged to restore 128 million hectares to bring back productivity to its land. After more than 4 years since Nigeria joined the AFRI 100 initiative, the government says inaugurating national stakeholders platform will foster collaboration and enhance coordination of forest restoration activities.
Our collective commitment towards sustainable land management practices will help conserve and restore our environment and make us less vulnerable to climate change. Therefore, to actualize our common vision, let us work together to accelerate forest landscape restoration to fulfill the commitment made to the AFRI 100 initiative and the Bond Challenge. Let us encourage and strengthen community participation and create awareness in knowledge sharing on best practices among stakeholders that will increase forest cover, land fertility, carbon sequestration to reduce the negative effects of climate change. Let us harmonize and integrate the various interventions that are underway on forest landscape restoration to exploit synergies and duplications of efforts.
Nigeria is a very important country in the AFRI 100 initiative because it is made up of 36 states that represent the whole Africa's biodiversity. This means that the country is very well positioned to offer restoration models that can be replicated in the other countries of the AFRI 100 initiative. In Nigeria, the restoration of degraded forest and land will enable the following. First, an increase in forest cover and carbon sequestration to combat climate change. Second, improvement in biological diversity, soil fertility, ecosystem and ecological function of the forest, air and water quality, and reduction in dust. Third, increase in employment opportunities for rural communities by providing green jobs to women, youth, and marginalized groups.
The forum agreed that landscape restoration is not limited to planting trees. It is about restoring the whole landscape and involves several sectors such as agriculture, livestock, forest, and the environment.
It would also present an opportunity for public and private sectors to demonstrate large-scale transformative action to restore degraded land. A national stakeholders platform for forest landscape restoration was conceived to help harmonize and integrate various interventions on restoration in the country to accelerate restoration practices towards achieving the commitments to the African Forest Restoration Initiative and the Bond Challenge.
With this forest rotation initiative, if achieved, will accelerate attainment of food security, increase climate change resilience and mitigation, as well as combat rural poverty in the region.